What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on FET because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping like crazy. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a weekly time frame. The main area that I'm currently watching here is this support, which is between level 0.913 and 0.784. So right now, I think that there is currently not a good opportunity to open here a long trade, because if you will, for example, open a long position right now, you will need to place your stop loss just under this support area. So the trade will give you like absolutely horrible risk reward ratio. But also you can see that we didn't have here a support confirmation. So if the market will do, for example, something like this and there will be a support confirmation, then I think that this can be a first good opportunity to open here a long trade. So the exact trade can then look, for example, like this. As I said, I want to see here that support confirmation. Stop loss in this case, you need to put just under this support, so under the level approximately like 0.7788 or 7849, yeah, something like that. And the last take profit targets, well, I would probably put it under the $2 mark, which will be like another important psychological resistance, because the first one is that $1 mark, and you can see that we already broke it. So in this case, you can have your risk reward ratio like 7.2, which is not bad, but keep in mind that you need to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this previous high, then under this previous week high, of course, if this will be the current high, and right now we will see here the price reversal and then support confirmation, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 5, which is in my opinion not bad for a trade on a weekly time frame with like a 15-16% of the net market stop loss. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this setup. Maybe you are asking if there is currently a good opportunity to open here a short trade, because as I said, for the past couple of days and weeks, we had here like a pump around like 228% of the net market move. So if you want to create here a short trade position, then I think, yeah, it's definitely possible, but it's also really risky, because every time you need to have like small stop loss to have good risk reward ratio, and every time you need to put the stop loss above the current high, because once there is a breakout, there is pretty high probability that we will create another big high, and historically, because this is like the current all-time high, you don't have here any important resistances that you can use as your stop loss. So if I would, for example, create a short position right here, then I would place the stop loss just above this current high, and the last take profit targets I would place above this support, which will give me this risk reward ratio around 12.87, which is in my opinion really good. But also keep in mind that the stop loss here is pretty small and there is pretty high chance of getting liquidated. So once there is for example a small profit, then I would probably move my stop loss to entry or to a break even, so I can't turn my profitable position into a loss. And then for example, I would take some of the profits, I don't know, somewhere like around here, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio from like almost 13 will be, let's say, around 9, which is in my opinion still really good. So yeah, if you want to create a short trade scenario here, it's definitely possible, but there is pretty small stop loss, so there is pretty high chance of getting liquidated. But if it will be like based on your risk reward ratio that you want to take per trade and based on your proper risk management, then I think that this setup can be okay. Let's now take a look on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we have here the same problem as with the trade on a weekly time frame, and that is that the simple risk reward ratio is not good here. But anyway, on the 4-hour chart, I'm watching here several important support areas that we can use to our advantage to, for example, open here some scalp trade. The first one is between levels 1.071 and 0.999. The second one is between levels 0.913 and 0.876, and the last one is between levels 0.714 and 0.675. The idea of opening a long positions in these areas is pretty simple, but every time I want to see here a breakdown, fake out, and then support confirmation back up again above this support. So for example, with this first support area, it can look, for example, like this. So if we will create the low, let's say, for example, somewhere under this support, then you can place the entry, or you can enter the position after there is pullback up again, and there is again a support confirmation. The last take profit target, in this case, you can put either under this current high, which will give you risk reward ratio like 5.2, which is actually like not that bad for a short-term trade, or you can simply put it on the higher levels, for example, I don't know, like under that $2 mark. But I think that the current high will be better, and you can see that if we will move, for example, entry to another support area, then the risk reward ratio will be here much better. So if there will be breakdown resistance confirmation, you can always speculate for a lower support area, and the last trade can look again, for example, like this. So again, stop loss somewhere under the low that we will create during the fake out, and as your last take profit target, you can use this current week high and this current all-time high. Of course, if we will create another one, the last TP will be bigger, but definitely in these cases take also multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely under this support, then under this support, then for example under this and this low. So from the risk reward ratio like almost 16, you will have like 11, something like that. But yeah, this setup is also definitely good. So yeah, keep an eye on it. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing analysis every single day, and link to join this in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.